My favorite easy recipe is this tuna macaroni salad. Make it at the beginning of the week and you can use it for easy meals all week long. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making tuna macaroni salad. This is such a simple and retro recipe that you are going to love. It's easy to make with pantry ingredients and it comes together so quickly. You're gonna probably make it every week. So to make our tuna macaroni salad, we're just going to dump all the veggies into the bowl with our macaroni. We've already cooked it. You're just gonna cook it according to the package directions. So we have the peas and the peppers, the celery, the red onion, and our pickles. Now I like to flake some of this tuna. This is just albacore canned tuna, drained. So I just like to make this into smaller pieces so it blends into your macaroni salad a little bit better and you don't have like big chunks that are like dry in your salad. That looks good. You just kind of want it like slightly minced. Some chunks still in there, but not too many, just big chunks from the can. Next, we're gonna whisk together our ingredients for our dressing. So we'll just set this aside. And to this bowl, we're going to add mayonnaise, the Greek yogurt, champagne vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar also, the sugar, salt, and the pepper. Now we're gonna whisk that together. You just wanna whisk it until it's smooth. And once you have your dressing well combined, you just wanna taste it for seasoning. So I'll just use this fork here. And then you can add salt if you think it needs more salt. You could even add a little more acid if you like lemon juice or lime juice, add that. So now we're going to assemble the salad. So we're gonna take our salad ingredients and we're just gonna pour the dressing over. And then just give everything a mix. Once you have it pretty well combined, we're going to fold in the tuna. I like that the salad is not overdressed. It's not like too cloyingly sweet or it's not too mayonnaise-y. It's like the perfect consistency. Now we're gonna fold in the tuna. And this is 2 cans of tuna. So you get a lot of protein, and we did use the protein pasta. If you wanna use like the chickpea pasta, that works really well too. There's some really good recipes for pasta out there these days on the shelves that are super convenient and they're loaded with protein. That's it. That is your tuna macaroni salad all over my countertop. We're just gonna add it to a serving bowl and then I'm gonna taste it. This is so easily customizable too. You can add chopped carrot. You can really beef it up with anything you want. You can add chickpeas, other beans would work really well in this too. So I'm gonna take a quick taste. That is so good. A little hint of sweetness, creamy and perfect. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.